Ready? Well, here it is. Blizzard. Well, someone's in a good mood at least. Hey, how we holding up, Ranger? Not bad so far. Not good. Few hours into this thing, you notice those kind of sticky snowball snow. It's drifting, but if it becomes a little less humid and a little more cold, it'll drift really good. Visibility is well under a kilometer. I'd say maybe half a kilometer. The wind doesn't change direction. Probably hard to hear now. Give it to me. Oh. Hey, leave it. You leave it. I'm trying to do something. Stay. Stay. Back up. There. Throw us into the wind. See how far it goes, huh? We can't find it. Nothing too exciting yet. Just nasty weather. We'll keep updating and see what kind of build-ups we can get, because